He was not the fastest. He was not the strongest. But he was the boy who never quit running. In a small town, far from big cities and bright stadiums, there lived a boy named Amir. He was thin, a little shy, and not very good at school. But he had something special. He loved to run. Every morning, before the sun came up, Amir ran through the empty streets of his town. His shoes were old. Sometimes the soles came loose, but he tied them with rope and kept running, step by step, breath by breath. People in the town often laughed. "Why do you run so much?" they asked. "You will never be a champion. You are just a small-town boy." Amir only smiled. He whispered to himself a phrase he loved: "Never give up." He repeated it every day. Never give up. Never give up. Amir's family was poor. His father worked in a workshop. His mother sold vegetables in the market. They had little money, but they had love. His mother always told him, "Amir, hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard." This phrase became his second favorite. Hard work beats talent. He carried it in his heart like a secret treasure. At school, Amir was not the best student. He struggled with math. He often made mistakes in English. But when the sports teacher announced a race, Amir's eyes lit up. The race was only 400 meters, one round around the field. The whistle blew. Amir ran with all his strength. His legs burned, his chest hurt, but his heart said, "Keep going." He finished second. He was not first, but for Amir, second place felt like a beginning. From that day, Amir trained every morning. He woke up before dawn. He ran on dusty roads, through rice fields, and up the small hills near his town. Sometimes dogs chased him. Sometimes rain soaked him. Sometimes he fell and scraped his knees. But he always stood up. He always kept running. Fall down 7 times, stand up 8. This became his third favorite phrase. Years passed. Amir grew taller, stronger, and faster. His shoes changed, but his dreams stayed the same. He wanted to be a champion. One summer, his town hosted a district competition. Boys from different schools came to race. Some wore nice sports clothes. Amir only had a simple white shirt and shorts. But he had something stronger than clothes. He had determination. The first race was 400 meters, 2 rounds. Amir ran with his heart. He finished first. The crowd clapped. His teacher hugged him. His parents cried. For the first time, people in the town saw Amir not just as a poor boy, but as a rising star. After that, Amir was invited to bigger competitions in the city. The stadium was huge. The track was smooth and red. The lights were bright. Amir felt small. He looked at the other runners. They were tall, muscular, confident. For a moment, Amir felt fear. He whispered softly, "Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself." He repeated it like a prayer. The race began. At first, Amir was behind. His legs shook. His heart pounded. But then he remembered his mother's words. Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. He pushed harder. He ran faster. He crossed one runner, then another. Finally, he finished third. He did not win gold, but he stood on the podium. A small-town boy, now a city champion. The road was not always easy. Sometimes Amir lost. Sometimes he was injured. One winter, he hurt his ankle badly. The doctor said, "You must rest for months. Maybe you will not run again." Amir's heart broke. For days, he sat near the window watching other boys run in the street. But deep inside, he heard a voice, "Never give up." He started walking slowly, then jogging, then running again. Step by step, breath by breath, his ankle healed, his dream lived on. Years later, Amir reached the national championship. The stadium was full, cameras flashed. The race was 5,000 meters, long and painful. Many thought Amir would not make it, but Amir remembered every phrase he had carried in his heart. Never give up. Hard work beats talent. Fall down 7 times, stand up 8. Believe in yourself. Just keep going. The gun fired. Amir ran. His pace was steady. His breath was calm. One by one, other runners grew tired. But Amir kept going, step by step, breath by breath. On the final lap, his body screamed with pain. His legs felt heavy, his chest burned. But his heart whispered, "Keep going. You are stronger than you think." He pushed with every last drop of energy. The finish line came closer. The crowd stood up, shouting his name. Amir crossed the line first. He fell to the ground, tears in his eyes. A small-town boy had become a national champion. Later, in an interview, a reporter asked him, "Amir, what is your secret?" Amir smiled gently and said, "My secret is simple. I never quit running. I never gave up. Every time I fell, I stood up. Every time people laughed, I smiled. Every time I was tired, I told myself, one more step. That is all." Amir's story became an inspiration. Children in his town started running in the mornings. Parents told their kids, "Be like Amir. Work hard. Believe in yourself." And Amir? He kept running, not just for medals, but for life. For him, running was not only a sport, it was a lesson. A lesson that life is like a race. Sometimes you are slow, sometimes you are fast, but if you never quit, you will always reach the finish line. Dear learner, remember Amir's journey. Remember these useful words and phrases. Never give up. Hard work beats talent. Fall down 7 times, stand up 8. Believe in yourself. Keep going, step by step, breath by breath. One more step. You are stronger than you think. Work hard. Dream big. Don't stop. Repeat them softly. Use them in your own life. Because learning English is also like running. Sometimes it feels slow. Sometimes it feels hard. But if you keep going, step by step, breath by breath, you will become fluent. So, today, take one more step. Practice one more word. Speak one more sentence, and never, ever give up. Keep running toward your dreams and keep learning English. You are stronger than you think.